नमस्कार। सिक्स्थ सेंस रिसर्च एसोसिएशन एंड होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन की ओर से मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया है टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से, मगर अब हमें टाइम की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम आगे कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे, तो किसी का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है, ये बात आप सब ध्यान में रखिएगा। आज हमारे साथ है, हमारे जो स्पीकर है वो मिनल जी है, वो कॉस्मिक लाइट मेडिटेशन के ऊपर आज हमारे साथ बात करेगी। कॉस्मिक लाइट मेडिटेशन के हमें नॉलेज देगी और कैसे किया जाता है बताएंगी। मिनल जी माँ प्रेम मिनल के नाम से भी फेमस है। वो स्पिरिचुअल कोच है, हीलर है, ऑटो राइटर है और छोटी सी उम्र से, यहाँ 9 साल की छोटी सी उम्र से वो प्राणायाम मेडिटेशन सीखी है और इस फील्ड में काफी अच्छा काम कर रही है। अब हम और टाइम न लेते हुए मैं मिनल जी से कहूंगा कि वो आगे शुरू करें, मगर उससे पहले एक अनाउंसमेंट है।
Minal ji, are you going to share some presentation or something?
मिनल जी,
म्यूटेड है।
Okay, I'll unmute her. एक मिनट। I think उन्होंने self mute कर लिया होगा। Minal ji, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yeah.
I done it.
You have some presentation or something to show?
No, sir. I'll be speaking and I'll be taking a meditation.
Okay, so there is no presentation from your side, right?
No, that's right.
Okay, great. You can continue.
Okay.
Fine.
अभी मिनल जी स्टार्ट करें उससे पहले मैं आप सबको एक बात बता दूं कि बीच में कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेंगे जब तक मिनल जी का लेक्चर खत्म नहीं हो जाता है, उनका सेशन खत्म नहीं हो जाता है। वो सेशन खत्म होने के बाद मिनल जी आपको कहेगी अब आपके प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं, तो आप अपने प्रश्न, आपके जो भी क्वेश्चन है वो चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कीजिएगा और मिनल जी उन सबके आंसर देंगे। ओके मिनल जी, प्लीज ओवर टू मिनल जी।
Fine, sir. Yes, welcome you all. Am I visible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
You're not
Fine.
visible actually.
Or I'll just spotlight your video. That would happen.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Yeah, I think now it's visible.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome to all of you for this session today. Thank you, Dr. Kumar, for getting me introduced to this divine souls across. Now coming to the cosmic light meditation state across. Cosmic light meditation hai kya? Cosmic light meditation is a simple practice which actually all of us have been doing at some time or the other in our life. It's just that कि हमें इसकी awareness नहीं है और जितना इसमें हम लोग tap in करते हैं उतना हम better इसको sourcing कर सकते हैं अपने खुद के अंदर। जैसे कि हम अगर बोले कि हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि आप पढ़ाई ध्यान से करो, या बच्चा अगर 4 चीजें करते हुए पढ़ाई करता है तो उसकी वो जो प्रैक्टिस है, वो जो लर्निंग है, वो थोड़ी इनकम्प्लीट रहती है या बहुत अच्छे से नहीं हो पाती। और जो बच्चा एकदम ध्यान से पढ़ाई करता है तो वो अच्छे से जल्दी कर पाता है और उसका रिजल्ट भी अच्छा रहता है। सेम थिंग इज आउट हियर। हम लोग हमारे सोर्स से कनेक्ट करते हैं। अब सोर्स बोले तो यहाँ पे इट इज अवर सोल सन। हम लोग के अर्थ को हम लाइट और एनर्जीज मिलती है सोल सन और मून से। तो ये सोल सन और मून से कनेक्ट करके हम लोग एनर्जीज टैप इन करते हैं। अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है पूरा सिस्टम इज that from a long time the earth is going through a change, and this all of us know much more right now because of the conditions we are facing day to day. All of us have been locked down in our homes. Even the people who have not been spiritual are looking into के और क्या चीजें हैं जो कि ये situation लाई हुई है. So people are moving more towards meditation with the current scenarios. In this, we tap in light from the higher sources. अब higher sources बोले तो हम लोग consider करते हैं our earth is made by Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, as we say, generator, operator and destroyer. But As our universe is being seen scientifically also by NASA, it has been seen by the cameras and things. We have much more solar systems and galaxies and nothing. In cosmic light meditation, the channeling that I have been doing is that there are, like our solar system, there are millions of solar systems which come under one cosmic sun. अब एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझने के लिए जब एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलती है तो वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलने के लिए स्टाफ रहता है, उसके ऊपर एक मैनेजर रहता है, एक डायरेक्टर रहता है, एक ओनर रहता है. सेम वेज यहाँ पे हमारी जो सिस्टम चलती है, अर्थ, हम लोग अगर बोले अर्थ चलता है ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश से, ये डिवाइन एनर्जीज, ये सोर्स हमें हेल्प करती है. सेम वे ये जो डिवाइन पावर, जो एनर्जी हमें कंटिन्यूस मिलती रहती है सन और मून से, इसे ये पूरी सृष्टि चल रही है. बट वेयर इज द सिस्टम गोइंग रॉन्ग? ये दिन ब दिन हमारे अर्थ पे ये प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ते क्यों जा रहे हैं? इट इज द सोल स्टेइंग ऑन द अर्थ, स्पेसिफिकली द ह्यूमंस. they have somewhere in their vibrancy, in their frequency, हमारी frequency कम होती गई है दिन ब दिन. हम लोग की जो टैपिंग सोर्स है, हम लोग दूसरी चीजों में ज्यादा लग गए, वर्ल्डली अफेयर्स में ज्यादा लग गए, जबकि हर एक ह्यूमन कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई दूसरे डायमेंशन से यहाँ पे अपनी जर्नी करने आया था और फिर उसे वापस लौटना था. पर यहाँ के कार्मिक सर्कल में हम लोग इन्वॉल्व हो गए, उसमें इतना इन्वॉल्व हो गए कि हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी धीरे धीरे कम होती गई. वन सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, जैसे हम हमारे फोन को चार्ज करते हैं, अगर फोन का चार्ज आपका 100% रहा, आपने पूरा चार्ज उसको किया, तो आप उसको ज्यादा टाइम के लिए यूज कर सकते हो, बेटर यूज कर सकते हो. अगर वही 20% रहा और आप अभी कनेक्ट हुए, तो कहीं ना कहीं बीच में शायद आपका फोन डिस्कनेक्ट भी हो जाए. वही सेम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करता है कि हम लोग अभी जो एनर्जी टैपिंग करते हैं वो हार्डली 2 to 5% हम टैपिंग कर रहे हैं, हम ज्यादा ले ही नहीं रहे अपने अंदर, क्योंकि हमारा जो दिमाग है वो दूसरी सब चीजों में इन्वॉल्व है. वी आर इन्वॉल्व विद आवर होम, we are involved with our children or with our career, with the other learnings. All this social involvements that have started happening, it's made us move away from our own selves. We do not realize this tapping of energy which is happening continuously across. So the only thing required is to get back to your own self and observe this flow of energies. As you observe, you connect across to the higher sources. It's just like the organization. आप कोई organization join करते हो, आपकी जो position रहती है, आपकी position में भी अभी एक junior staff के जैसे है. आप जैसे जैसे वर्क करते जाते हो वैसे वैसे आपकी डिग्री बढ़ती जाती है. धीरे धीरे मे बी इन 2 years you can be a group manager, then you can be a manager. Same ways here, as you go on working on yourself, you start tapping into the source more, we connect more higher. We consider, जैसे हम लोग के हिंदुइज्म में बोलते हैं कि 33 करोड़ देवी देवता है, and we believe in the cycle of birth and death. In the spirituality we believe in this cycle. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है कि all this देवी देवताओं जो हम बोलते हैं वो सब भी कार्मिक सर्कल से अफेक्टेड है, तो सबकी एनर्जीज एक्चुअली इट्स गॉन डाउन. एंड वेयर आर वी अप्रोचिंग टू दिस डिवाइन सोर्सेस? बिकॉज हमें ये सोर्स का ही पता है. अगर आपको ये पता है कि लास्ट स्टेशन, सपोज के अगर आप बॉम्बे जा रहे हो, आपको पता है लास्ट स्टेशन अगर कांदीवली है तो आप वहां तक ही जाओगे, आप उसके आगे जाओगे नहीं. आपके लिए वर्ल्ड वहां तक ही है, आपके लिए वर्ल्ड उसके आगे है नहीं, जबकि आगे बहुत सारे सोर्सेस है. इट इज once you connect higher, you cleanse yourself, you get into practices of stabilizing yourself. हम अपना क्लीनिंग करते हैं, स्टेबलाइजिंग करते हैं, और ये एनर्जी से भी हम लोग अपना स्टेबलाइजेशन कर सकते हैं. और इससे हमें खुद हायर सोर्स से कनेक्ट होते हैं, जहाँ पे हम जिसे सन से एनर्जी मिलती है. जैसे हम अगर कहे कि हमारी सृष्टि में शिव, यहाँ पे जैसे हम महादेव बोलते हैं, तो महादेव हमें हमारी सृष्टि में चलाते भी है और resurgence, the rebirthing is also happening through it. Like at present, the earth is evolving. Earth की जो energies है, ये खुद ही खुद का rebirthing at present कर रही है. That is why all of us are been sitting at home. कोरोना का रीजन जो भी हो पीछे, we do not want to fall into that right now. One of the reasons is that from a long time, the messages have been given continuously across to humans that we need to rise in our frequencies, because the earth is also rising to an higher dimension. When the earth itself is rising, वो lower frequency वाले जो भी souls है, वो वहाँ पे टिक नहीं पाएंगे. उन्हें या तो खुद राइज होना है, या तो दूसरे प्लैनेट, दूसरे गैलेक्सीज में मूव अक्रॉस करना है. इसलिए अभी आप सोचोगे, जस्ट गो बैक इनटू आवर पास्ट, maybe 10 years back or 20 years back, you will see across there have been lot of changes happening from the last 25 years, where there have been mass deaths, there have been natural calamities happening more, there have been too many changes happening with the economy or the political fronts too, with all the countries across, globally too. Why is this? On this energy fronts, we take it all as a part of this process across. Where, because अगर change करना है, एक human living change करना है, एक system change करना है, तो उसको सब level से change करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे what is our work? Our work is just to work on ourselves and rise our frequency. Once आप अपनी frequency rise करते हो, तो आपके vibration में आपके आसपास जो भी है, वो भी थोड़े बहुत rise हो जाएंगे. Like it said that when there's one strong vibration, जैसे कि पहले थे कि संत वगैरह मेडिटेशन करते थे या वो लोग चैंटिंग करते थे, तो उसके आसपास का ऑरा बेटर होता था. So each and every individual has this work of working on one's own self across. With working on one's own self, we will rise our frequency, while the earth has already taken its role of rising its frequency. Now moving on again to the process of this, where we consider it as Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. जब बोलते हैं कि यहाँ इसकी frequency अगर कम हो गई है, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? हम अपने centered, when we do meditation practices, if you even take up some practices along with it, if some of you have not been into these practices, maybe if you could take up something active meditations of cleansing yourself, or taking up something as chakra meditations, then this practice goes much faster, because your system is cleansed. When your system is cleansed, अंदर जो जाना है energy, तो उसको एक clear passage मिलेगा. Yeah, otherwise this energy is itself also slowly cleansing you up. And the best thing right now is that right now, even in half an hour practice that you do is equal to a 1.5 hour practice that was done before 25 years. This ripple action, this fast results have been made across because they want more souls on the earth to rise faster across. जितने ज़्यादा souls rise करेंगे, the earth, the changing effect, the vibrancy will change much more faster. What we are looking at across as a new earth, a new place where the learnings will be for self, where the systems will be working on love and compassion. It will not be working on a trade of just money and economy and politics. It will be one earth, one global system, and everything will be on the basis of pure love and compassion. So as we connect with these energies, we are supported by different lights and energies along with this. जैसे हम रेनबो देखते हैं, जब रेनबो अगर हम देखते हैं तो उसमें काफी सारे कलर्स हैं. तो यहाँ पे जैसे एक स्टाफ हेल्प करता है पूरे कंपनी को रन करने में, वैसे ही यहाँ पे different energies, different lights are supporting us in different ways. That is with the cleansing. We use the violet light and energy to help us with the cleansing. This support of cleansing is given from a level where we can start with the body first, as we have an understanding that we are this body. So we always start with the body, the cleansing of ourselves on the physical, mental and the emotional levels. and also the auric circle. Slowly, this cleansing can go on till the bonds that which we have collected right from our soul birth till now. And I have been doing this processes with people, with the souls who are connected with me from the last 3 years, and we have had wonderful results along with it. In this, the second support that we have across is of blue light and energy, where we have the archangel support, and we are supported by even a process where we do cutting of cords. See, many a times there are some bonds or there are some events in our life in the past or habits which we want to leave, but by ourselves we are not able to do it perfectly. Uh, we tend to go back to it. It just keeps on reflecting it back into our life at some time or the other. So here we take the help of this lights and energies with the support of the blue light and energy, and we even cut the cords up. One thing we always remember while doing this practices is we keep in mind that whatsoever has been there, as we consider it maybe as good or bad, that is our consideration, that's a mind's working. On a soul level, it's always everything, each and every moment in your life is being chosen by you yourself. Our whole life, each event, each moment, we ourselves have planned before coming onto the earth. So here, while you cut across the bonds, we also give across our gratitudes. We first always give across our gratitudes for the learning and for all the events that have been across, be it with a person, be it with a situation in any part of your life. And only then with full gratitude, and then we give across a cutting. We do this process of cutting and cleansing and releasing the bonds completely. So now once the bonds are released, the habits which you haven't been able to remove by yourself, or the cleansing of the blocks, it may be a physical disability or an ailment which needs to, maybe a knee pain, maybe a disease that's going on from a long time, or it may be a emotional bond which has stuck up into me, some fear or some past event which has hurt me a lot with with any person. All this can be released very easily with the help of this light and energy. Next we come to, once we cleanse, once we cut this bond, so your body is more free, your mental levels are more free to accept the source of energy. Then we connect, we tap to the higher sources where we receive the energies to strengthen our emotional bodies, the mental, because the mental body, the thoughts which keep on coming in and out, which keeps you diverting you from your practices. So all these lights are taken, we take the help of all these lights across, and we do our practices. Along with that, further on, we work also on our cellular body and the DNA. Why the cellular body and the DNA? Because in the current scenarios, when we say okay, we have to increase our frequency, what is increasing of the frequency? Beforehand, our DNA was not a two chromosome DNA. It was, as you must have heard of the 12 dimensions, the fourth dimension, the fifth dimension, as such the 12 dimensions. So here it is, as you start healing up your cellular body. That's why you are made to sit at home right now. If you understand from a higher level, while sitting at home, currently while you've been in a lockdown, what's happening is you are coming in lesser contact with people. This work has been going on for many years, but now it's more severe in a way that first it was in certain parts in certain areas of across, and it was not affecting the other souls. So slowly a big change was brought across in the form of the current situation where millions of people are at home, you're locked down, you're purposely made to sit. Otherwise, it was that one is working. Even if one wants to work on oneself, one has to go to one's job. One has to look at the other events. So you're not able to. So here you are made to sit. Your aura is not affected by too many energies across. Many of you must have experienced that you are sleeping more nowadays, or you are having different things coming up inside you nowadays. You, even into, if you're getting into practices, you may find yourself getting into a higher state faster, or there may be issues like, I wouldn't say issues, there may be symptoms like you may have heavy at certain days, or you may have some issues with your throat coming up, or you may have palpitations. All this are also signs of your spiritual rising. This is because your chakras have been worked up. As we say that we didn't never we before didn't have so much as a internet system. Slowly we were introduced to the net system. Then we came to the 2G, the 3G, the 4G. Thus the levels were the frequency went on increasing. Same as over here with you. Here what is happening? Here your frequency is increasing. The cosmic light energy is working on you. So while if you're conscious and you also work along with this light and energy by sitting and tapping it much more, by consciously tapping it, by releasing your bonds with its help, then the work you will realize will go on much more faster. Along with this, when we work, we also go on the soul levels, clear the other things. We even move further on a higher level to clearing up the Akashic records. So this journey is very individual, because as much as a person is open, as much as a person has had a journey before, a person can tap in and clear lot many things across, and the journey can be elevated. So it's very different for each and every individual. As much as you practice, you let the energies flow into it. Secondly, it's also a practice which can be done 24 hours. Now, if we say 24 hours, you will say that we have to do our other work. We even sleep for 4 to 8 hours a day. Then how do we do it 24 hours? It is, we always do a shielding and a grounding across, as you must have been doing in some of your practices. While your physical body is grounded and you have shielded yourself with this higher energies, even while you sleep at night, we call across to this higher enriching light and energies to work on our cellular body while you rest your physical body at night. To strengthen the process, we take the help of some musics on the hertz level. Musics always help with this healing. So we take the support systems. It's like it's never wrong to take a support system when we are moving. See, we take the help of certain organizations, certain practices. Some people must be, of you must be using certain things as crystals or pyramid caps, salt lamps to clear yourself, and things like that. So here we use music as a system to tap in at night while you sleep. We just call on to the light. We request it to keep on channeling into our cellular body through the night. To keep that system on, we use certain hertz of music the way we want to work on it. I have worked with souls with me on clearing up their soul levels, clearing up their fears, even the ones which they aren't aware of, with clearing up their relationship issues, with clearing up even their paths. They getting to know what is their soul path. Many of us are even unaware. We are still looking across that what actually is my this journey for, or in this birth, why am I here for? All this can be slowly cleared across by this practice. So, will we like to move into the practice other than just listening across to me? Will you like to get into the practice? I think that will make more of a, you will get into that experience. Fine. So, get into a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Remove your specs. You can just interlock your fingers comfortably or place your hand in Dhyan Mudra or just place your palms facing upwards. Any of these three that you are comfortable with. Eyes closed. Let's observe our breath. Be aware of each and every breath that's flowing in and out. Do not try to make any changes in your breathing pattern. Just observe. Observe the breath flowing till the navel or the Hara center. Hara center is 2 fingers below your navel. Observe the breath flowing till the navel or the Hara center and flowing out completely through the center. Now observe yourself at your base as you are seated. Observe yourself at the Muladhara. Or observe your feet. Observe the physical body getting grounded and connected with the Mother Earth. Just like roots flowing down and getting firmly connected with the soil, observe yourself, the body getting connected with the Mother Earth. Slowly bones flowing down to the Muladhara and the feet, touching the surface of the earth, slowly flowing into the earth and getting firmly connected to the Mother Earth. We request Mother Earth to keep the physical body grounded and connected while we carry on our soul journey. Now slowly move your focus from the base up to the crown at the Sahasrara. You're connected to the cosmos through the Sahasrara, the crown chakra. We call on to a higher soul, the higher self, to take over completely. Higher soul or the higher self is a part of your soul which is in the higher dimensions and is aware of your whole soul journey, your soul plan. It's aware of your past, present, and future. So we request the higher soul to take over completely. All that has been done be through the higher soul. We start by giving across our gratitudes to the divine beings you connect with. to the Parampara Adi Shakti and Shiv Shakti. Giving gratitudes to your soul masters, Sadguru, Guru, giving gratitudes to all the great masters in the intergalactic, the masters in the galactic and the Shambhala. Gratitudes to our guardian angels, all the archangels and the angels. Gratitudes to the Panch Tattva, the five elements, fire, wind, sky, Mother Earth, and water. Gratitudes to our soul sun and the moon, through which we receive the higher cosmic light and energies. Giving gratitudes to your karmic parents and to your ancestors. Gratitudes to this physical body in which you reside. Getting into the higher consciousness and awareness that I am a pure divine soul. I am one with the divine. I am eternal. I am nor this body nor the mind. With this consciousness and awareness, requesting our soul masters and the higher energies to guide through the whole process. Calling on to the violet cleansing light and energy. Observe. A violet shower of cleansing light and energy showering through the cosmos. To connect to the light and energies or to the divine beings is just as easy as talking with your best friend or your mother. No special words or statements are needed for it. It's just our readiness, our free will. Nor do we require, it's not important to really be able to see the colors which I tell you. The higher sources are compassionate, they are available, and they are flowing with this pure love, where they are keeping on showering this love, light and energies. So using your free will, we just announce to the cosmos to shower us with the violet cleansing light and energy for the cleansing of our physical body as per the highest good. While we take up these practices, we always request for a cleansing as per the highest good, as our masters and the higher energies are more aware of what is best for us. continuously showering violet light and energy. Observe it showering through the cosmos, flowing through the central sun, through the cosmic sun, through the soul sun, our sun, through the moon, onto your Sahasrara. Just like when you are in heavy rains or when you bath in a shower, observe this light showering now with full force onto your physical body, flowing onto your Sahasrara, the crown chakra. This light and energy enters into the physical body through the Sahasrara. Observe it flowing. The violet cleansing light and energy as it flows through the cosmos, enters the body through the Sahasrara, flowing into each and every organ, nerve, muscle, bone, cell. We request for a complete cleansing of the physical body as per the highest good. Observe it continuously flowing into each and every part of your body. Continuously showering violet cleansing light flowing through the head, the brain, the forehead, eyes, nose, ears, mouth. Your whole face and head is getting cleansed and cleared up with the violet light. Flowing downwards to the neck, each and every nerve, the thyroid gland, the nasal passages, the windpipe, the foot pipe, continuously showering violet cleansing light, showers through the cosmos, goes to the cosmic sun, to our soul sun, from the soul sun to the moon, and from the moon to your Sahasrara. flowing down from the Sahasrara to the head to the neck. As it cleanses and clears up your neck, observe it flowing to your shoulders, shoulder blades, to your hand, upper hand, the bicep, the triceps, to the elbows, lower hand, wrist, palms, fingers. Observe each and every nerve, muscle, bone getting cleansed and cleared up. We request the violet cleansing light and energy to cleanse and clear up our hands as per the highest good. Each and every block be cleansed up. Now observe it flowing from your neck downwards to your chest, to your lungs, the heart, the rib cage, continuously showering violet cleansing light, cleansing and clearing up your chest belt, flowing down to the pancreas. Observe it clearing up your digestive system, the stomach, the intestines, the liver, spleen. All are receiving the violet cleansing light. Each and every organ is getting cleansed up. Observe the uterus, the gallbladder, Observe the lower body, the excretory organs, females observe your uterus getting cleansed and cleared up with the violet cleansing light. The whole of your main body, the whole head, face, neck, your digestive system, your respiratory system, and your excretory system. Observe it getting cleansed up. Each and every block is getting cleansed up. The toxins are released. The blocks are cleared up. Now, observe this light and energy now flowing from your head, the Sahasrara, to the back of the head, to your neck, the start of your spinal cord. Observe each and every vertebrae, each and every nerve flowing through the back of the neck, getting cleansed and cleared up. The violet cleansing light and energy is flowing down to your upper back, flowing through the vertebrae to the back muscles. Observe the upper back getting cleansed and cleared up. We request for a complete cleansing of our spinal cord as for the highest good. This continuously showering violet light flows to your middle back, flowing through the vertebrae, observe the middle back getting cleansed up, flowing to your lumbar, flowing downwards to the lower back, the lower back is getting cleansed and cleared up. Violet cleansing light showering through the cosmos, entering the body through the Sahasrara, flowing through the head, through the spinal cord, through the vertebrae, down to the tip of the spine. Observe it totally cleansing up the spine. Now observe it flowing from the tip of the spine to your hips, the legs, observe it flowing through your upper leg, the thighs, the sciatic nerve. We request the violet cleansing light to cleanse and clear up each and every nerve, muscle, and bone as per the highest good. Observe this light and energy flowing to your knees, cleansing up each and every bone, nerve, flowing to your lower leg, the calf muscles, continuously showering violet cleansing light is continuously flowing through the cosmos, through the cosmic sun, through the soul sun, to the moon. From the moon, it flows through your Sahasrara, entering the physical body through the Sahasrara, flowing through the head, through the spinal cord, from the tip of your spinal cord, through the hips, down to the thighs, the knees, to your lower leg. We request for a complete cleansing of our legs as per the highest good. Observe it flowing to the ankles, the feet, and the toes. As you observe the whole physical body cleansed up with the violet light, we request this violet light and energy to cleanse and clear up our emotional body. If there's any specific event-linked emotion which is coming in your conscious right now. You can cleanse and clear that up. It could be something that has stressed you, where you have been upset, angry, or it has hurt you. It could be with yourself or with some other soul. Or in general, we just request for a cleansing of our emotional body of all the lower emotions as per the highest good. Insecurity, fears, known and unknown, anger, jealousy, uncertainty, all the lower emotions be completely cleansed and cleared up now with the violet cleansing light and energy as per the highest good. Observe the violet cleansing light and energy cleansing and clearing up the emotional body. Each and every lower emotion from your conscious and subconscious levels which you want to release, do take this opportunity and request the violet cleansing light and energy to cleanse it up completely. Release your fears, release the insecurities, you could cleanse and release the bonds of emotional stress which you've been holding on to from your past in this lifetime. The violet light and energy is continuously showering onto you, guiding you with this cleansing. You have been supported by your soul masters, your guardian angels, and the higher energies right now with the cleansing. Along with the emotional body, you will now request the violet cleansing light and energy to cleanse and clear up your mental body. All the thoughts flowing in the conscious and the subconscious levels will be completely cleansed and cleared up by requesting the violet light. If one surrenders completely in one's soul journey to your masters, under the guidance of the masters, we request the violet cleansing light and energy to cleanse and clear up the mental body and the emotional body totally as per the highest good. All the thoughts be completely cleansed and cleared up. All the thoughts is a part of your mind. As divine souls, we need to slowly move to our higher heart. We need to be living to a higher soul and the higher heart, to love and compassion. So take this opportunity and release all the thoughts with the violet cleansing light. Along with the cleansing of these three bodies, your physical, your emotional, and the mental body, we now request the violet cleansing light and energy to cleanse up our auric field, the energy circle. All of us carry an energy field around us. which at times, without our consciousness too, we pick up some lower energies in our field. So you could request the violet cleansing light and energy to cleanse up your auric field as per the highest good. The energy circle around your body be completely cleansed and cleared up now. With this being thankful to the violet cleansing light and energy, certain of the bonds which we haven't been able to release by ourselves or you require a higher support, calling on to the head of the archangels, Archangel Michael, with his blue light and energy and his mighty sword. You have been supported by your soul masters, your guardian angels, and the archangels. Any of the bonds that you wish to release that needs to be cut across, which you haven't been able to release by yourself, will be from the physical, mental, or the emotional body. Any block to be cleansed from the body, any block in the emotions from your past with other soul or with a situation, or could be our own unknown which we've been carrying from our past. Certain thoughts which do you want to, it keeps on recurring, you're not able to release. Take this opportunity, the help of Archangel Michael and his mighty sword, by requesting Archangel Michael to cut that bond off completely. While we cut the bond, we always first give gratitude. As a soul, we are aware that each and every moment has been for our learning. So whether currently we have understood the learning or not, it's been a part of our soul journey. So with full gratitude, release the bond by requesting Archangel Michael to cut the bond off with his sword completely. You are currently supported by a beam of blue light and a mighty sword. The souls who surrender completely to their masters and the soul journey will take this opportunity as you surrender. You could request that all the bonds in the physical, emotional, and the mental bodies, which aren't as per the highest good, be completely cut and released. I request Archangel Michael to use his mighty sword and cut all the bonds from the physical, the mental, and the emotional bodies, which aren't as per the highest good for my soul journey now. Cut, cut, cut. Release, release, release. Cut, cut, cut. Release, release, release. Cut, cut, cut. Release, release, release. As the bonds get released off, we request the blue light and energy to shield us, to keep us shielded and protected from all that which isn't as per the highest good for our soul journey. Observe the bright blue light and energy forming a circle around your physical body. The blue light and energy is forming a circle around you. You will be kept shielded and protected for the next 12 hours from all the lower energies. Also, you could request this blue light and energy to keep you connected with the higher consciousness towards your soul path. Even if one needs to be aware, you need some clarity regarding your journey, you could request for the same. Now, as you are shielded and protected, observe yourself receiving a beam, a pillar of bright white light and energy flowing through the cosmos, through the central sun, to the cosmic sun, to the soul sun. This light and energy flows through the soul sun to our moon. From the moon, entering your body through the Sahasrara, flowing to the energy centers, the 7 chakras of your body. If you're aware, observe each and every chakra getting filled up with this bright white light and energy This pillar of light is enriching your energy centers and your cellular body. We request for an enriching as per the highest good. Requesting the continuously flowing bright white light and energy flowing through the central sun, to the cosmic sun, to the soul sun, to the moon, from the moon flowing to your Sahasrara, to the Agna, the third eye in between the eyebrows, to the Vishuddhi, the throat chakra, to the Anahata, the heart chakra, flowing to the Manipura, the navel, to the Swadhisthana, to the Muladhara, the root chakra. Observe all the energy centers getting enriched with the bright white light and energy. As each center gets filled up with this light, it also flows from the center to each and every cell in the belt. Continuously flowing a beam of bright white light and energy, enriching your energy centers and your cellular body. Each and every cell of your body is receiving this higher cosmic light and energy. As you are continuously receiving this bright white light and energy, enriching the energy centers and your cellular body, each one of you is receiving the Master blessings, guiding you on your soul journey through this time. As you rest tonight, you will once again observe yourself shielded and protected. Request the blue light and energy to connect you to the higher sources and observe this bright white light and energy enriching your physical body and your cellular body. Activate this process by shielding first and request this light and energy to work on your being while you rest the physical body tonight. Love and light to each and every soul. May each and every soul be blessed and guided to your highest goal, to your soul path. May this birth carry you to the oneness on your soul journey. Giving gratitudes to each and every soul. Giving gratitudes to my masters and to the divine energies present through the whole process. Slowly, slowly, when you feel like, placing both palms on your eyes. Be aware once again of your breath, your body, and your surroundings. And slowly, as you feel like, you will get back to the room. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, any questions if anyone wishes to ask? One can clear the doubts now. Thank you, Vishal Bhatia. Thanks for joining. Thanks to each and every soul. This was just a small process which I took up and I just gave you an idea of the whole thing. Thank you, Dr. Sandeep. Thank you. Okay. The sleep will also be because you got relaxed. So as the body gets relaxed and the energies work on us, sometimes we have sleep to coming in. Or also it can be many a times we are not ready to release a block. So you have to check out how, at what point of time did you go to sleep. Sometimes it's because you got very relaxed, or it is maybe we were clearing up some block, which there was a resistance from your consciousness to release it. Anything else? Fine. Thank you, Dr. Pratima. Thank you. Head feels little heavy. Yeah, the reason for head feeling heavy, again, two reasons. Is that if you're taking your eyes upwards to connect to the cosmos, to connect to, that can be one, because you're not used to taking the eyes up. In the whole process, you do not need to lift your eyes upwards to the cosmos. And or otherwise, it's that there were a lot of energies which we tapped in, you're not used to, then this thing can also happen. Yeah, we will ask the recording to be shared if possible by Dr. Kumar. Yeah, Ulka. So was it that you had lifted your eyes upwards? Okay. So try not to do that the next time. You do not need to lift up, basically.
Okay, hello.
Oh, yeah, that's good, Disha. That was nice. Yes?
Is there any more questions?
Any questions? Yes, Vishal Bhatia. Take your own time, relax, keep your eyes closed, enjoy the lights, enjoy the energy, because it will take some time to settle in your body. And I have charged this, so please tonight also while you sleep. This is actually a very powerful process, though it sounds very simple, it works a lot. And this has been a great blessing given across, and that's what I am passing on to people. So each one of you can tap into it on your own too. Dr. Kumar can decide on to that, while you can yourself do it every day. Anything else? Because the light is flowing continuously. So there's not a time when you cannot connect to it. It is each and every moment you can connect to it. In the morning, when you start your day, you will just ground your body, shield yourself, start the process. So even while you do your work, this will keep on happening. The white light will keep on enriching your body. And it's like a slow thing where you will continuously, your blocks will go on cleansing up. Thanks a lot.
Okay. As no more questions are there,
Fine.
yes, we will finish this session over here. Thank you very much,
Disha.
Minal.
Thanks to all of you.
सिक्स्थ सेंस रिसर्च एसोसिएशन एंड होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन की ओर से मैं मिनल जी का और आप सब पार्टिसिपेंट्स का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज का सेशन बड़ा ही सुंदर रहा। काफी लोगों ने ये जो डीप मेडिटेशन मैं कहूँगा इसको एक्सपीरियंस किया और वाकई मेडिटेशन बड़ा अच्छा था। कुछ लोग इस मेडिटेशन को शायद अच्छे से समझ नहीं पाए, ऐसा मुझे लगा। मगर ये मेडिटेशन ऐसी चीज है कि इसके लिए आप में सब्र होना जरूरी है, पेशेंस होनी चाहिए। और जितनी पेशेंस से ये सब आप करोगे उतना ज्यादा फायदा आपको डेफिनेट मिलता ही मिलता है। ये जो वीडियो की बात,
यस प्लीज,
तो ये वीडियो जो है अभी हम लोगों ने मतलब एसोसिएशन ने सोचा नहीं है कि क्या करना, मगर शायद हम ये वीडियो सारे जितने भी स्पीकर्स यहाँ आए हैं 3 तारीख से अपना शुरू हुआ है 3 मई से और 31 मई तक ये वेबिनार चलने वाला है। तो जितने भी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग हो सके हैं बीच में कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम से नहीं भी हुए थे, तो जितने भी रिकॉर्डिंग्स है शायद हम लोग यूट्यूब पर रख देंगे। तो जो भी है आपको नेक्स्ट मंथ की 10 तारीख मतलब जून 10 के बाद आपको पता चलेगा, और इसी ग्रुप के अंदर वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको दे दी जाएगी। वेबिनार हर रोज शाम को 5:30 बजे से शुरू होता है, और अब हमारे पास टाइम की कमी नहीं है, हमारे पास पूरा टाइम है, और इसीलिए हम हमारे सभी स्पीकर को मैक्सिमम टाइम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि वो अपने सब्जेक्ट को न्याय दे सके, अपने सब्जेक्ट को अच्छी तरह से आपको समझा सके, बता सके, उसका एक्सपीरियंस करवा सके। कल मिस्टर संतोष पांडे हैं जो कोलोन थेरेपी के बारे में हमें बताएंगे। जी हाँ, ये संतोष पांडे जी जिनका सांता क्रूज में बड़ा ही सुंदर सेंटर है, काफी सालों से वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। तो कल शाम 5:30 बजे हमारे साथ होंगे मिस्टर संतोष पांडे कोलोन थेरेपी को लेकर। आप सब जानते हैं कि अब हम लोगों ने ये हमारा टाइम ड्यूरेशन बढ़ा दिया है ताकि आप सबको मैक्सिमम नॉलेज मिल सके, और आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस हो उनके आंसर आप हमारे एक्सपर्ट से पा सके। मैं ये चाहता हूं कि ये मैसेज जो है आप अपने सारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में, रिलेटिव्स को दीजिए, और हर आम आदमी, ये जो वेबिनार है वो सिर्फ थेरापिस्टों के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं है, ये वेबिनार आम लोगों के लिए भी है, और हम चाहते हैं कि आम लोग ज्यादा जुड़े, क्योंकि जितने आम लोग लेमन इसमें ज्वाइन हो गए इस वेबिनार में, उतनी ज्यादा जानकारी ये अल्टरनेटिव थेरेपीज के बारे में उन सबको मिलेगी, और उनकी पसंद की थेरेपी के साथ वो अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ पाएंगे। तो अब हम कल मिलेंगे शाम 5:30 बजे। तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच वंस अगेन मीनल।
Thank you, Kumar. Thank you to all the participants. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.